Let's talk about being creative with our cheese tamales. My cheese tamales are always a hit and people always ask what I put in there. So here are all of my secrets. I start with queso fresco, which is, I guess, fresh cheese in English. I'm not too sure. Anyway, it's that soft cheese, like cacique cheese for your reference. And it's queso los altos that I purchased from El Super, and I will just be crumbling this, and I will be shredding my pepper jack cheese that I got from Costco and mixing all that up, right? And to that, I decided to be a little bit more creative because historically in my family, we just use chiles pasilla, like a strip of chile pasilla, and put it in tamal. But I feel like that's too spicy. So we're gonna try something different this year. I'm gonna get my 2 chiles pasilla, so not a lot, and 1 chile Anaheim. I'm gonna put it in my broiler for about 20 minutes on 450 degrees with setting it to broil. And I'll do that, then I'll peel my chiles, and without the seeds, I'm gonna chop them in strips. And then finally chop them after that, and just mix it into my mixture. So you get little pieces and bits of the chile pasilla, but it's not overpowering. Okay, you guys, my chiles just came out of the oven. I put them in there at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes. And now they look like. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna peel them and chop them, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And it's great that I've added the chile Anaheim because it has a savory, sweet flavor, kind of like a pepper, and it'll help balance the flavors of the chile pasilla. Here is an up close of what my chopped chiles and peeled chiles look like. Some of the pieces you'll notice didn't come off completely, but I'm okay with that because that's gonna give it that smoky flavor that we're looking for. Another tip that I have for you, the reason it's in a bag is because when you're making tamales, there ends up being a lot of stuff in your fridge, like the masa, the meats, all that. So to kind of save space, I like to put as many things as I can that I'm preparing in bags as opposed to containers because that takes up more space in my refrigerator. You are going to watch me with the beginning process of how I'm going to crumble the queso fresco into my chile with the bag, and then later I'll be adding the pepper jack cheese once I shred it. So I'm just going to crumble it right into my bag, into like small uniform pieces. This cheese mixture, or queso fresco, the consistency kind of reminds me of a harder version of ricotta.